Alright boys, welcome back to another Fortnite session. I haven't made a video in a while, but we're back at it. So, I basically got a suggestion to make a hide and seek game, I believe. Yeah, hide and seek. So we're gonna do that. My channel is a bunch of BS, unfinished work. I don't know why I try and finish things, or even start things when I know I'm not gonna finish it. But it's okay, because now we're here, and we're doing better now. Just kidding, we're not. But thank you guys so much for 245 subs. I'm pulling it up right now. Thank you guys so much. I've been so inactive and I apologize for that. And a lot of people are saying my data store plugin isn't working. It's okay. I'll figure it out and I'll make an update or whatever eventually, but not now. So to make a hide and seek game, I think I'm gonna use teams. So we're gonna go to teams and we're just gonna create a team. Lobby, hiders, and then seeker. So let's make a lobby. Alright, lobby's done. Looks pretty solid, not gonna lie. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put spawns. There we go. Now time to make a map. We'll make the floor green grass. Or no, we'll make it brown dirt. Well, that fits perfectly. Kind of cool. Let's group together the lobby. And now, what we're going to do is we're just going to put... I feel like I should have everybody spawn right in the middle of it. From there, you go into your hiding spots. It's going to be hide and seek tag. So, anyways, I should probably actually anchor everything so it doesn't fall. We need like a status bar. Let's do that real quick. We can name this main text label. Fit this across. Ooh, that's a little big. About there, and boom, and scale the text because that's so awesome. Set the text to status, change it to a different color, make it a little bit smaller so you have more room space for your screen. We're gonna name this bar, and then we'll just name this status. Status doesn't matter. No, not status. Yeah. Back to what we were doing. If we were to play, we should have just the lobby as our team. So annoying. He just walks in and is like, oh, what are you doing? I'm like, get out. So that works. Cool. Now what we need is a duplicate storage. We're gonna enter a string value. We need a main script. I don't think we need a module. This game is not gonna be released, so it doesn't matter. So we need the local status is equal to, oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm done with like the main portion. Basically, we get all the services we need, and then here we just get the status, the remote event, and a status bar, which is the bar at the top. This is different times, so I can change the times between the lobby and the game. These are game clock and lobby clock, just different variables. This function here will fire the remote when the status changes, and all that does is just update the text to be what the status says. And then I wait 1 second for all the players to join. I have a while loop. And what it's going to do is it's going to wait for 2 players. Right now, since I'm testing, I have it as 1, so I can see if everything works. Here, it's just going to do change the lobby clock and set the status. Then it's going to reset the lobby clock. After that, it's going to go to the game phase, and up here we'll have like TP players to playing field, blah blah blah. We'll do all that, and we'll have a countdown, etc. And this is just the game clock, and it'll just reset the game clock. So let me show you how that works. And then that's it. So that's what I have so far. I'm gonna update so we can get a counter, like a 3, 2, 1, and I'll have it teleport the players. I believe I got it done. Gotta do a few more things still, but it's a solid foundation. So, starting the game, and boom. You got 3 seconds right now, and then game in progress, and when that's over, it should teleport you back to the lobby. Perfect. Cool. So that works. Now I gotta mess with teams. I'll do that and get right back. Okay, so just gonna test the game now. Alright, you should be able to join me in a second. Why does Roblox have to update every time? Alright, just join me now. Starting game. It should pick 1 random seeker and 1 random hider. Well, it should pick 1 random seeker and then everyone else is the hider. Okay, that worked. And it should teleport you first. And it didn't, and then it's gonna teleport me. Okay, I just have to make it teleport you first, and then you can hide for like 25 seconds, and then I teleport to the map. Yeah, and then I teleport over here, and 1 sec. Okay, so now, and then when you join, starts the game. I'll change that to intermission instead of starting game. And then it'll pick a random seeker. Alright, so you're the seeker. Why are we both seeker? That's the issue. It turns us both into a seeker. Alright, I think I fixed it. Starts the game. Okay. Now. Oh, no one's the seeker.
Alright, let's hide, guys. Hide.
We gotta hide. Oh no. Let's test it again. Alright, waiting for at least 2 players. Good. The video is really laggy, but it's okay. Wait for the game.
Okay.
Okay, if you're the seeker, how are you not on the seeker team? What?
Oh my
my god. Test number like, I don't know, 25. All right. Okay, so it set you as the seeker. Good. So I should hide for 30 seconds. Don't look. God, you're cheating. Let's go. And then you teleport, and then you gotta find me. So after these 30 seconds, it should teleport us back. I'm just gonna need like somebody to build because I can't build and maps are impossible. Let's see. Boom. Perfect. And then it should do it again. Let's go! And then now I'm the seeker. And then it'll teleport you. And then... So it works. Okay. That's awesome. That's the game done. If I do more, I don't know if I'm going to do more or not. If you guys like the game, I might do it more. I obviously don't continue games. So we'll see about that. I don't know. He told me to make it, so I made it. He died! Thanks for watching. Sub if you want. I don't care. And I'll see you in the next one.